Viewers and subscribers, this is Birdbeak. Welcome to the channel. And today I am going to be giving you an analysis and a dissection of Najeerii, CAPPABOI, Eddie G, DISS song. So let's get into the video without further ado.
Dear Lord, forgive this fucking idiot. No brick, no bitches. For you know not what you have tried.
Now people, before the song even start, with an intro like that where the man have to go biblical and pray for him enemy, for the wrath where him about to unleash, you know say you're up for something good. Let's get into the rest of the song.
Bro got no hits, bro got no bricks, bro got no bitches. Bro got no drip, bro burn clothes, bro still got no image. Now I say yo I'm a friend dog, don't kill him kid, but me no partial clone, I'll clone me kill. Which husband neck, bro son silly fucking idiot things no one notices.
Alright people, my analysis of that part is when Najeerii tell him say yo, him got no hits, because none of him song them no go far like how Najeerii Pantan would go, or you know, Najeerii Paddle Boat would go. None of Eddie song them no big so yet. The reason why I must say Eddie G no look good or him nah no swag, because Eddie G himself, him have a style of dressing where it's a more dark and mysterious ski mask thing, and I just that one style of beat him always a beat, you see me, but we don't want to get into that because we don't watch your man away. You see it, but the house pan neck thing part now people, you see that part there? Him a tell him youth say yo, if you go cap brother, just be realistic with the cappings. You get what I say? At that Najeerii tell the man right there. So him a make you know say fucking idiot. You feel like say nobody don't notice say you have a house pan your neck. Like a oh yeah try trick. You see me? So right there so them a solidify him as a A-grade capper. Let's move on to the rest of the video.
Stop the cap tag, you like get pussy so you full of batty man tag. I'll suck pussy then we a batty man top go. Get a take your every tongue out a shan glass. You coulda sleep a hold a man yard. We a totally crown go round a one part. I can never take beer top. Now we got the funny box up where you get.
Yes, so right away now in other part a whole heap of shot fire called DISS get licked to, you see me? So the man a make you know say yo, Eddie G a freak and him a batty man, cause the batty man talk where him refer to is when in him song him a tell RajahWild to take him cock out a Bob mouth, you see me, and that's how this start. Now DISS part now, DISS catch a stray there so still because DISS and Najeerii used to link. I don't know how the link mash up or just because him and Eddie G a link make that go on, but DISS get a wicked this there, so you see me. Yeah man, let's move on to the next part.
Eddie, first man missy hardly want pussy. Fuck y'all hard them a ask me want to me. Really a wonder how boots him say word if he start him with.
Yeah people, cause man a say yo, Eddie are the first man him say hardly want pussy, and him have a reason why him say that, because I don't know if you remember a few weeks back. Let's go in our time machine now. Eddie drop a song named Good Look, and in night him a say yo, him hardly want pum pum. As a matter of fact, I could play the clip for me to hear it.
Give me head, me hardly want pum pum.
Hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
Give me head, me hardly want pum pum.
Then the man say, fuck girl, or them a wonder warm to me, or them a ask and warm to me. So, right there, so now Najeerii show you, so him is not like them man there. Him love pum pum, him not hardly want it. As a matter of fact, him post that picture here after that. Man drop a picture and caption it, bro got no bitches, and you can see man surrounded by some girls. And then Eddie G respond with that picture here. So right away it's like him a try defend it now, cause Najeerii say him got no bitches, so him have to come and show off moms right away, you know. Anyways, make we get back to the song.
Clocks and rifles, party, click, walk a freak, stop, watch your cousin, you're not in it. You make a big man spoil up, sign your mind, you're fishing up hard fishing.
Yeah, them thing here go on. Eddie, how you feel watch your cousin? How you feel watch your cousin, boy? How you do? Yo, you have to come defend that one day, you know. Them thing are some serious allegations, you know, man. The man a say man all a mind you. How go on? How really go on, Eddie? Make we hear what you have to say about that part there. Anyways, people, alright, the rest of the song now are basically him a repeat to him say already, so I'm not forget my analysis on the next part of the song. I'm just refer to the earlier part of the video. Now I'm just gonna make the song continue play out, and then I give you my thoughts on the ending of the song.
Bro got no hits, bro got no bricks, bro got no bitches. bro got no drip, bro borrow clothes, bro still got no image. Mama say yo I'm a friend that don't kill him, but me no partial clone, I'll clone the kill. Which husband neck, bro son silly fucking need that things no one notices. Uno stop the cap dog, you get pussy so you full of patty man talk. I'll suck pussy DNA, a batty man top go. Get a take your heavy tongue out of Chandra's. You coulda sleep at home, your man yard. We a totally gone, go round a vampire. I can never take bait up, no we got the finny box up. We are getting at your yard. Bro got no hits, bro got no bricks, bro got no bitches. Bro got no drip, bro borrow clothes, bro still got no image. Mama say yo I'm a friend that don't kill him, but me no partial clone, I'll clone the kill. Which husband neck, bro son silly fucking need that things no one notices.
Like what the fuck, dog?
Mad.
Don't pay that no. Once you're a capper,
Fully.
always a fucking capper. My fucking twat.
Dog call black my name.
You imbecile.
Yeah, nah, yeah, liquor, suck,
idiot.
pussy, mouth. Akada. Mad. Be a bumbo class pencil. Crazy. Pick him up!
Eddie G. Let's not cut out that. Brawling.
Alright, so in the last part, you don't know. The man that make him know, say once you're a capper, he's always a capper. You see me, the man all use words like twat. But I don't know if you cite one I think, the man said, don't call black, my name, you know. Not back, my name, you know, don't call black, my name. Because I don't know, say, Senegal no deal with nothing round her back. Anyways, people, that's it for now. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share the video. Bird Nation, stay sharp.